This is a real-life hack. Don't believe me? Keep reading. 1. Want to separate egg yolks fast? Just tap the yolk twice on the countertop. Boom, the white slides right off. 2. No fancy cake slicer? Just flip a water glass upside down to cut that cake like a tailor's trick. 3. Can't flip your pancake? Toss it on the pot lid. Watch it flip easily. 4. Don't know how to remove a mosquito coil? Use a playing card like in the video. Peels it right away. 5. Weird smell in your fridge? No problem. Mix tea leaves, baking soda, and white vinegar in a bowl. Add a splash of white wine. Mix and place it in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow, odor's gone. 6. Want a clean tape edge? Cut a diagonal point on a zip tie or tape. Press it just right. It disappears. Better than scissors. 7. Don't know how to put on a bracelet solo? Slip one end in, hold it, twirl the other into a loop, and hang it. Never ask for help again. 8. Want easy open packaging? Tear it so you can twist the lid and open it smoothly. 9. Stick a lid under the soap. Totally waterproof, super handy. 10. Knots in your necklace? Don't use your nails. Dip it in starch. Rub back and forth, then twist with your fingers or a toothpick. It comes undone in seconds. 11. Got a splinter? Don't use a needle. That can worsen it. 12. Salt and white egg in a cup. Heat to 50 degrees Celsius. Soak your finger 3 minutes and splinter comes right out. 13. Pricked your palm? Press it on a warm cup for 5 minutes. That helps. 14. In a bowl, combine toilet paper, baking soda, and water source. 15. Add enoki roots, cover with a black bag, and in days, mushrooms will grow. 16. Lots of handbags at home? Fold them this way. They stay neat and won't break. 17. Cut a hole in a paper wrapper. Insert the garbage bag, tuck part out, fix it under the bin. It makes trash bag removal easier. 18. The bottom can store your kitchen cleaning supplies. 19. The handle can hold beans. The top can make soap. Super versatile. 20. Clip small clamps on a pipe and fix in your cabinet. Hang food items, no risk of mess. 21. Drill holes on the wrench edge. Insert a screw. It adapts to various nuts. 22. Lining your kitchen bin leaks? Place paper pieces at bottom. No more leaks. 23. Don't pull packaging off new socks. It gets dirty. Just fold a few times and the wrapper falls off. 24. Want spill-free pouring? Stick a straw in the bottle. Juice stays in the bottle. 25. Smelly shoes? Inflate a small balloon in them. No more odor. 26. Spill wine on the table? Sprinkle flour. It cleans up instantly. 27. Got a long mask? Spray perfume and hang in your closet. Fills the room with fragrance. 28. Old rusty iron? Wrap in cloth, steam it. Oil melts at high heat and saves detergent. 29. Use a leftover strip from the mop and stick it between the toilet seat. You don't need odor sprays. 30. Or cut it and bury in soil. It becomes eco-friendly fertilizer. 31. Cheap iron hooks near the sink. Use them to store your face cloth. 32. Hang a hair hole in your hand for curling. Convenient. 33. Stick it on kitchen wall. It works as a cutting board rack. 34. Disposable gloves feel loose? Stretch before use. It tightens at the wrist. 35. Fingers always get loose glove ends. Flip and put back. It fits snug. 36. Soap is happy. Don't crumble it. Melt it in a pot. Pour into a mold. Wait one day, and you've got a new bar. 37. Zipper on your wallet broke? Use paraffin to lightly seal it. Zip works again. 38. Fridge smell again? Throw in old newspaper. Spray a source of life. Roll it up. Absorbs odor like magic. 39. New tissue packs? Rip the packaging, extract all tissues, roll the first one round, and drop into a jar. Works smoother with heavy yowzi. 40. Eggs and liquor spoil fast? I'll show you a trick. Add tea leaves in an octagonal bag, tie it, place in fridge. It will stay good for a year. 41. Don't toss soy sauce or vinegar caps. Turn them upside down. You'll control the pour, no splatter everywhere. 42. Can't finish a medicine packet at once? Follow me. Cut twice with scissors. Fold twice or thrice. Seal the bag. It stays sealed. 43. Don't throw detergent bottle. Pierce lid and handle with a hot nail. Instant water flow dispenser. 44. Remove iron wire from clip. Press it with a lighter. Fix it back. You've got an easy sealer. Sealing works like a charm. 45. These repair hacks even professional fixers don't know. Collect them and you'll never lose. 46. When nails finish on walls, scratches are easy. Stick a piece of white pad to prevent scratches. 47. Careless using a hammer? You'll get dents. Fix with a pair of pliers. 48. Power drill makes a mess. Cut the bottom of a plastic bottle and fit it onto the drill. The debris falls into the bottle. 49. Can't remove tough plastic? Use a wine bottle opener. It pops right out. This video, subscribe me for more.